Most of us know Lenovo for their computers, smart devices, and for buying Motorola back in 2014. But did you know that Lenovo also offers their own line of wireless earbuds? Welcome back guys, John Paul here for Ready.Set.GO, and in today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing the Lenovo Droplet True Wireless Earbuds. I found these earbuds through Amazon priced at $49.99 with a 50% off promotional discount and decided to give them a try. Even though these earbuds are priced very well, are they worth it? Stay tuned to find out. Before we move on to the video guys, I wanted to thank all of you who have already subscribed to our channel. It really means the world to us, and for those who are new or haven't yet done so, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Taking a look at the packaging, we can see the 233621 logo at the top front, which is the company that manufactured these earbuds for Lenovo. Right underneath, we have an image of the Lenovo Droplet earbuds in a white background. On one of its sides, we can see the Spark Passion slogan at the top, along with some listed key features, which include being light in weight, an ergonomic design, water resistance, and touch control. On the opposite side, we have listed some proprietary information for these earbuds, which model number is SE-631TWC. Overall, the package design is very clean and simple. Upon unboxing, you will find a plastic tray with the following items: the charging case, which includes 2 earbuds, 4 extra ear tips, a USB Type-C cable, and a quick start guide. The silky smooth finish on the plastic case feels a bit slippery at times. The bottom front of the case shows the Lenovo logo printed along with 4 charge indicators LED lights. On the back, you will find the USB Type-C port, which provides a quick charge. To access the earbuds, just slide the lid to your left. Upon removing the earbuds from their case, I immediately noticed they're magnetized to provide a more secure fit. Embedded in the case and earbuds are left and right indicators, but I just wish these were a bit more visible. The SE-631s offer you the option of using both earbuds for full stereo sound or just only one if preferred. The case is small enough to fit inside a pocket, making it very convenient to carry around. Even though they're all plastic, the earbuds feel very well made, and at just 1.27 ounces, they're very light in weight. One thing I noticed was that as soon as I removed the earbuds from their case, they automatically went into pairing mode, which allows the user a quick and easy pairing process. To pair the earbuds to your device, make sure Bluetooth is on and select Lenovo SE-631TWC under available devices in your Bluetooth settings. Once selected, simply accept the pairing prompt once it pops up. The earbuds overall feel very comfortable resting in my ears, forming a nice seal while doing a reasonable job tuning out most of the background noise. The media control functions for the SE-631 can be accessed by tapping the earbuds touchpad. Tap twice to play, pause, answer, or hang up on a call. Tap and hold for 2 seconds to skip, go back, and reject a call. Contrary to other more expensive earbuds, the Lenovo SE-631 allows you to power on or off each earbud individually when out of their charging case. To power off, tap the touchpad and hold for 8 seconds. To power on, tap and hold for 5 seconds. For those who love to use Siri or the Google Assistant feature, the Lenovo SE-631 are fully compatible with both. To access either service, just tap 3 times on the earbuds touchpad. I immediately made a couple of calls to test the earbuds and was very impressed with the earbuds call clarity. All my conversations went smooth without any problems. I tried some audio tracks to test the earbuds sound quality. I started with Duran Duran's A View to a Kill, looking to test the vocals and high notes, and was very satisfied with the overall sound. Voices sound crisp without being too bright. I then switched the audio track to Angel from the XX. The SE-631 reproduced Romy's beautiful vocals with clarity while still being able to appreciate the rest of the instruments in the background. To test the bass, I went with some trance music and listened to Dash Berlin's Man on the Run. I was disappointed to find out that the full thumping bass I usually love on this track is sorely lacking. If I were to describe the bass reproduced by the SE-631s, I would say it's more clean and lean. Vocals and high notes on the track were all there, but the underwhelming bass output made the mix sound somewhat incomplete. If there is one thing these earbuds could benefit from, is having a proprietary app with some EQ presets and custom settings similar to an app like the one LG provides for their tone-free earbuds, for example. The Lenovo SE-631 has an IPX5 water resistance rating, which makes them resistant to light rain, sprays, and sweat, but keep in mind that they can't be submerged. Battery life on the SE-631s delivers as promised. I was able to continuously play media through the earbuds for approximately 4 hours before getting the low battery voice prompt. The case, according to the specs, is supposed to fully charge your earbuds in approximately 1 hour, which we verified to be true. Overall, your earbuds should provide a total of 10 hours when using the case. Boasting Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the SE-631s are supposed to offer a more stable connection along with twice the transmission speed according to Lenovo. Even though connecting to my phone was pretty seamless, I did find myself having problems connecting the SE-631s to other devices around my house. On my older 2012 MacBook Pro, I was only able to hear audio on my left earbud, and it was constantly cutting out. On my Asus Nexus player, connection will start breaking up as soon as I walked out of my living room area, something that does not happen when connected to my phone. One thing worth mentioning is that you won't be able to adjust the volume through the earbuds. Now this for me is not really a deal breaker, but it can get quite annoying at times when you don't have quick access to the volume controls of your device. Overall, I give the Lenovo SE-631TWC a rating of 3 stars. At their discounted price of $25, you will be getting a pair of earbuds that will provide you with serviceable sound without breaking the bank. They are light in weight, comfortable, water resistant, and their sound quality is suitable for most types of media. Battery life is pretty decent, and being able to fully charge them in just 1 hour is definitely a plus. Even though I did experience some connection problems, I'm well aware those devices are old and issues are expected to happen every now and then. If you're currently searching for some inexpensive wireless earbuds and don't need all the extra bells and whistles, these Lenovo Droplet True Wireless Earbuds should be at the top of your list. If you have these earbuds, let me know if you like them in the comments section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it's how this video gets spread out to other people. This is John Paul for Ready.Set.GO. Stay safe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.